Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our valuable content. Today, we're diving into a topic that's beneficial for just about everyone, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who enjoys scribbling in a journal. We're talking about improving your writing skills, and we've got some quick tips that can make a world of difference. You might be wondering, why is writing so important? Well, good writing can open doors, from acing that college application essay to impressing your boss and climbing the career ladder. Effective writing helps you communicate your thoughts clearly and persuasively. So let's get right into the tips. The first tip might sound a little counterintuitive, but it's absolutely essential: read, and read a lot. Reading exposes you to different styles, structures, and vocabularies. You'll start to recognize good writing and bad writing, and you'll subconsciously start to incorporate the good habits into your own work. So, make it a point to read every day, whether it's articles, books, or even well-written blogs. Remember the old saying, practice makes perfect? It's especially true for writing. The more you write, the better you get. Try to write a little bit every day, even if it's just a paragraph or two. You could write a journal entry, a short story, or even a letter to a friend. The key is to get your ideas flowing and your fingers moving. Another crucial aspect of improving your writing is getting feedback. This can be from teachers, peers, or even online communities. Constructive criticism can highlight your strengths and expose areas that need improvement. Don't be afraid of feedback; it's the stepping stone to becoming a better writer. One of the secrets to great writing is revising. Your first draft is just that, a draft. It's crucial to go back, revise, and edit. Look for grammatical errors, awkward phrasing, and places where you can be more concise or clear. Trust me, even the greatest writers didn't produce their masterpieces in one go. In today's digital age, there are numerous tools available to help improve your writing. Spell checkers, grammar apps, and even writing software can provide instant feedback. Some popular options include Grammarly, Hemingway Editor, and ProWriting Aid. Use these tools as supplements, but remember, they can't replace a good, old-fashioned proofread. And there you have it, quick tips to elevate your writing skills. Remember, writing is an evolving skill that takes time and effort to develop. But with these tips, you're well on your way to becoming a more effective and eloquent writer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos. Until next time, keep writing, keep improving, and as always, stay curious.